Hey everybody, I'm Miss Hensley. I teach web design, intro to program, and AP computer science principles. Okay, I graduated from Male High School, so I just think it's the greatest place. All right, these are the times I teach web design: G3, G4, and P3. Programming is G2 and P4, and AP computer science principles is P1. Grades are entered into IC or Infinite Campus. They're going to be cumulative grades for this semester. Those grades are weighted. There are assignments in Google Classroom. Some of those assignments might actually be turned in Code High School or Admintum or Code Combat. So there's a lot of different things, but I usually update and put a lot of detail on Google Classroom, and I repeat it during class, so students should be aware. So in Google Classroom, this grades aren't really weighted, and all the grades aren't in there. So you need to really look at Infinite Campus if you want to see what grades there are. And I try to update those at the least every 3 weeks. But Google Classroom will have more information for you. Jeff Garrity next door sponsors FBLA. It's a great opportunity for everybody. I sponsor STLP. We are going to try to do some robotics this year. We have a 3D printer. We are going to meet on Thursdays except for when we're off school that Friday. So I think that applies to a few Thursdays throughout the year. We'll meet for about an hour. There's also an esports team or video games competition that we're going to start. That is new, so I'm still learning. I think there's games like League of Legends. I can't think of the other ones off the top of my head. We meet on Thursdays. Basically, just hang out, and there's a whole lot of different options for what students can work on while they're here on Thursdays. Right now, we're covering the basics in all the classes, building the foundation, especially in web design and programming. In the future, everything's going to be more project-based, APCSP as well, but we have a couple assignments we have to do to submit to the College Board. There's an explore task and a create task, and those include written portions, and then they actually have the test on May 15th, I believe, at 8 a.m. this year. Okay. So that's 2019. Hopefully I update this and don't forget next year. Best way to contact me, my email, same as everybody else's, Erin.Hensley. I will respond within 24 hours usually. And if you have any questions, just always feel free to email me. And I think that's it.